Happy wife, happy life.
Good morning, everyone. So, it was work time again, and this is Braden Koya ng Dungis. I'm going to clean him up and then feed him while Daddy is making their bottles.
Yeah.
Ayan.
Bottle duty. Huh.
Ay, dadaling ko na to at palitan ko ng diaper, lilinisan ko yung mukha. Hindi ko napapalitan ng damit kasi naligo naman sila kagabi bago naman yung damit. Dawson is still sleeping. Ito lahat ng damit na to dito ay hindi na nila masusuot. So, sobrang dami ng aking, hindi ko alam kung itatapon or ipapamigay. I-donate pala. Kasi, I was supposed to send it to the Philippines para sa aking pamangkin. Kaya lang, yung iba dyan sobrang makakapal. Baka, pawisan lang yung bata kasi mainit sa Pinas, diba? So, hindi ko alam, baka i-donate na lang namin. Sobrang dami. Yung mga 3 months old clothes nila yan. Kasi ngayon, ang sinusuot nila ay 6 to 12 months na. Hi, baby. Say hi. Ayan, gising na rin si Kuya. I'm gonna clean their nose. They don't like it. Tutuwa si Braden. They're gonna cry. Their mommy is gonna get you mad. Hi, Braden ko. We're gonna eat after this, okay? Hi, Braden ko. Hi, Dawson. Hi, Kuya. Kuya. Good afternoon, everyone. So, andito ako sa labas ng bahay ng babysitter. I'm waiting for my turn kasi there is 2 cars there in the driveway. So, antay ko lang na umalis sila and then I'm gonna pick up the twins. Ayun, umalis na yung isang sasakyan. I miss them so much. Grabe, nakaka-guilty na silang iwanan kasi nga ang laki na nila. Nakikipaglaro na. Lalo na si Braden kahapon, sobrang tawa ng tawa. Tsaka nakikipag-usap. So, ayun guys, pick upin ko na sila. Dito na kami guys sa bahay. Dawson wants to play with mommy. While Braden is sleeping, umiiyak siya sa biyahe. I think he wants to go home. There's no place like home. Baby, I need to get our stuff. Where's your pinky? Baby, I need to get your stuff. Oh no, is your pinky not in here? Oh no, baby. Oh no, your pinky is not here. Mommy needs to get the stuff in the car, okay? Huh? Mommy needs to get the stuff in the car. You need to be a good boy. Look at that mouth. I need to give you a bath. You're so pretty. Ayan, dinala ko sila dito sa kusina because I need to clean their bottles kasi wala na silang bote. Mommy needs to clean the bottles, okay? And then after, we're gonna take a bath. Mamaya ako na sila alisin dyan pagpapaliguan ko na. Oo nga naman ng baby, gusto mag-play, but mommy needs to do it because daddy will be home late. If I don't do it, you don't have bottle. Huh? Braden is tired. Kanina pa siya iyak ng iyak habang nasa biyahe, inaantok kasi. Si baby, sleep ka na baby. Sleep na baby. Thank you Kuya Dawson. You're such a good boy. Bait-bait nung kuya na yan. Tingnan mo mukha, oh. We're gonna clean up later, okay? Dungis-dungis ng bata na yan. May nanay ka ba, ha? Oh, kuya, baby. So, mommy can wash your bottles. Be a good boy, okay? Katapos ko lang maglinis ng aming lababo. Ayan, panayang entertain ko sa dalawa para lang matapos ako. Ay, ngayon, ako'y maglalaba. Yan, labahin namin ni Cubs. And, ayun, kailangan kong tupiin ang mga damit ni Ashley. And then, mamaya ako nagagawin yan. Ilalagay ko lang yung labahin. And, papaliguan ko na yung dalawa kasi naantok na tong dalawa. Ayan o. Mga nag-iinarte na kasi inaantok. Tapos, papadidiin ko after maligo. Okay, baby, I'm just gonna put the clothes in the washer, okay? And then, we're gonna go take a bath. You guys like it? Huh? And then we're gonna read a book after we eat, okay? Mommy will read a storybook for you too. Bath time! Andun si Dawson sa hallway. Lalaki yung braso ko nito, kakarga ko sa car seat nila. But, nilagay ko siya doon kasi nandito siya kanina. Umiiyak siya, ayaw niya ng view dito. Mas gusto niya yung view doon sa hallway. So, inuna ko muna si Braden ko kasi nag-iinart ito. Ay. So, yun guys. Ayan, parang ang tigas-tigas ng buhok. Siguro sumuka to. Bakit nasa noo? Ayun guys, papaliguan ko na to. Ayan, nakakatulog na si Dawson. Baby, don't sleep. Katulog na siya. Ayun. At least I can see him from here. Gusto ko nakikita ko siya. Tapos na si Braden ko. Si Dawson tulog na. So, antayin ko na lang siyang magising. Pagod ako katutuwa doon. Hey, say hi to them. Say hi. Magkamukha ba kami ni Braden? No. I look like my daddy. I look like my daddy, yo. Bibihisan ko na siya. My baby, yung tulog na si Dawson ko. Ayan o. Katapos lang po kumain ni Dawson. Tingnan mo, oh, may bilin siya pa. Maya-maya ako na siya papaliguan kasi katapos lang kumain. And then katatawag lang ni Daddy. Yan, nag-FaceTime sila ni Daddy because Daddy misses Dawson. Kasi tulog si Braden. Bless you. Baho. Parang ano, ito yung gatas. Amoy, ito yung gatas ang baby ko. I'll give you a bath later. Now, we're gonna read first. Kami naman ni Dawson. Ito, oh. Ayan na, nagising na si Baby B. And tapos na maligo si Baby A. I let them play here for a little bit. Then, Mommy will play with you guys. Kasi, ako magtutupi ng mga damit ni Ate Ashley. Ayan. Tuwa-tuwa sila dito. Gustong-gustong abutin tong. Reach it, baby. Abutin mo. Braden, oh. Kaya mo yan, baby. Kaya mo yan. Tsura ni Dawson. Kaya mo yan, baby. Abutin mo, kuya. No, you're not kuya. Abutin mo, baby. Baby Braden. I can reach it, mommy. I can reach it. Huh? You want it? How about you, kuya? Daddy's home now from mowing and he just with his phone all the time.
Really? You know what I'm doing, but I can't say.
What are you doing?
I'm searching for something, but I can't say, and you know
Why?
I can't say, and you know why.
May surprise siguro si Calvo, arte-arte. Ayan si Dawson because Braden is fasting. Ayan. This is mama's boy. Gusto lagi kay mommy. Ayan, si Daddy at Dawson. Ay, Dolly. So yun guys, Daddy is making dinner and I'm going to do the laundry while the twins were sleeping. What? Yeah, whatever. You hate doing laundry. He hates doing laundry and he hates...
You put it in the washing machine. The washing machine does it.
And he hates doing dishes. Yan yung mga ayaw niyang
The
gawin.
dishwasher does it.
Sarap kurotin ni Calvo. We're having, ayun na, ingay kasi ni Calvo. Gising na si Dawson. Magtutupi pa nga ako ng damit eh. Sleep ka na, baby. So yun, I'm so tired kasi si Braden, gising siya ng gising every, almost like 2 hours and a half, 3 hours. While Dawson only eat once at night. So, parang diretso yung tulog niya, kumain lang, tapos natulog ulit. Ako kasi nagpapadede kay Brayden.
I'm feeding Dawson tonight.
Si Calvo gusto yun si Dawson kasi isang beses lang
He
nagising.
slept for 5 hours.
Ha?
He slept for 5 hours.
I know. So, yun. He's making chicken fried rice and I'm going to fold our laundry. Kaya lang medyo madidelay kasi itong isa nag-iinarte. Nagbihis si Baby D, si Big D. Kasi lumungad siya. Ayan, nagbihis tuloy ng damit. Hi! Say hi to them. Is that your nap? Ang bilis naman ng nap na yan. Now, mommy can't fold the laundry. Kasi nag-iinarte. Kasi, hindi namin alam kung maghapon silang nakahiga lang sa kanilang car seat or sa kanilang bouncer doon sa kanilang babysitter. So, pag nandito sa bahay, I always make sure na nakaka-stretch sila. Pinapahiga ko sila sa kanilang mat para mag-stretch yung muscles and always give them tummy time. Kasi, hindi naman niya siguro ginagawa yun. But, we're not really sure. Tsura niya, oh. Bakit, baby? Let's go check daddy. Let's go check your daddy. Wow, baby B is sleeping. Hi, daddy.
Hi, baby. How are you, little boy?
Look, his hand said, Daddy, I want you.
You want to help me cook?
Hold me, Daddy.
Run away from mommy.
Stop.
You're so
He
cute.
looks like me.
No.
Yes, you look. Doesn't looks like me. See? Right, guys, everybody.
In
are
camera,
saying-
he looks
What?
darker and everything, but he's actually pretty white in person.
Yeah.
He
Sa
looks white like me.
Sa camera, parang ano si Dawson, dark, pero ang puti-puti talaga nilang dalawa.
So the camera's kind of fooling you.
But look, I look dark, but I look white in the camera. What?
You look dark in camera?
No, I look white. Like that.
You're not white.
So yun lang,
But
guys.
you're not like really dark in
I
person.
know. We're just gonna finish cooking and then eat, and we're gonna put them in bed early kasi may pasok pa bukas. And, Holy Week nga pala ngayon. It's Holy Week in the Philippines, you know.
Is it?
Yeah. And dito sa Amerika, hindi sila nagse-celebrate ng ganun kasi they are Christians. So, you guys don't celebrate like that. So, this weekend is Easter. And this is the first Easter of the twins. Kaya lang hindi pa sila pwedeng mag-egg, Easter egg hunting.
Yep.
Next year, we're gonna be doing that next
I
year.
hear the other one.
Brayden?
I
Okay.
heard him.
Say bye,
Bye, everybody.
everyone. Maraming
Come to our house, you can have
salamat.
some chicken fried rice.
It smells good. Bye, baby. Bye, guys.